morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm all by myself, all on my lonesome. Just kidding, you know me better than that. Today's actually a little special. We're meeting up with KatKam. Some of you guys already know who she is. She's bringing out Alex, I believe FC Rick, and I've invited my friend Chad. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I hope it's fun. Oh, KatKam. Last time I rode with her, she was married to Hunter Honda. Probably 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I don't know. R.S.M, Baker X Derek, Hunter Honda, and I, we all went down to Venice Beach. That was a fun day. Oh, there's my friend Chad. KatKam.
Hi. What up, everybody?
Good to see you.
How are you?
FC6 Rick.
Got a warm welcome today from Southern California.
Besides the sun?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, no shit. That's pretty funny.
Yeah, so
You put some effort into this, Rick.
we gotta take care of this first and then we can go.
We'll be right back.
Bobby, got a surprise for you, buddy. You're all dusty.
He's very dusty. He's taking a shower.
Got you some noise canceling earphones, buddy. Drown out all that elevator music, all the chatter of the kids. You don't have to deal with it anymore. Making your life a little easier. Bob, let me tell you about today's video sponsor. We got the Solitude from Cove. You remember their Bluetooth speaker, right? Yeah, same company. Bob, these are noise canceling headphones. Someone needs a washer. There you go. There you go. It's gonna improve your life, man. Turn them on for you. Turn that frown upside down, buddy. All right, Bob, let me tell you about these headphones. I've never had any experience whatsoever with noise canceling headphones. I've seen them in ads, I've seen the commercials, never owned any myself. Not until these. The Solitude has active noise cancellation, silences ambient noise, memory foam ear cushions, and they are comfy. A precise sound quality for a luxurious listening experience. It's equipped with Bluetooth 4.1 wireless audio and will work with paired devices up to 30 feet away. 12 hours of usage on a single charge. It's got a built-in microphone to take phone calls and a convenient travel bag. All goes in there. With all those features, you probably want to know how much all this stuff costs. $199, huh? Don't worry. Code provided me with the discount code SUBD. 65% off. Makes them $70, Bob. Can you hear me, Bob? Can you hear what I'm saying? Seriously, Bob, I've been playing with these headphones for a couple weeks. No complaints. If you're sitting in a room that you believe is already pretty quiet and you put those things on and activate the noise canceling, it's scary quiet. For those of you guys that are interested in the Solitude noise canceling headphones, check out the link in the description of the video. Coupon code and all. SUBD. All right, Bob. Catch you next one. Now back to today's video. Wheelies. So we do have kind of a game plan today. Rick kind of sorted a route out. That's fun. We're going to stop again, get some fuel. Then we're going to head up by Cooks, hit Santiago Canyon, cruise around down to 55 or the Jamboree, whatever it might be, into Newport, cruise the coast, come back up to Mission Viejo, have Mexican food at Hacienda.
Figure out where we're going yet?
Follow that guy. Thirsty, man. I think I want a Red Bull. Rick took us to the intro gas station. Maybe Cleb would be there jumping in bushes.
I'm already full.
Full of shit.
Yeah.
Let's be good to her. Let's do the 91s. It's so dirty.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
FZ Rick, what's the plan, dude? What are we doing? Where are we going?
Are you going to see Bob?
Yeah, let's go see Bob. Maybe we'll get KatKam to give him a lap dance.
Yeah.
Do you know who Bob is?
Bob, yes, at the little store.
You think he's cute?
Yeah, Bob's kind of hot.
Maybe you'll give him a lap dance?
I could do that.
So you're gonna ride the shit box.
I'm gonna ride the shit box.
You better be careful with her, man.
I am?
It's gonna make you a better rider. Are you nervous?
Oh, will it? Yeah.
You might not want to give her back.
Damn, okay.
I'm not trading you either. I'm not trading you. Don't even try. Sure is a good looking bike, Chad.
Wonder where I got it from.
can't believe she wanted to ride my GSXR over this thing. That's crazy. This thing's so much nicer. This bike is quick. That's pretty popular these days. Thinking about starting an Instagram for Bob. I have enough trouble running my own Instagram though. Don't talk shit.
I'm not talking shit. Why? Why would I talk shit about it? It's just dirty.
She's glorious. You know, Bob told me he thought you were cute last time I was talking to him.
Yeah? Bob, it's been so long.
Watch out, he gets a little handsy.
Oh, Bob. Does he have anything?
I haven't checked him in a couple of weeks.
At a Cortez Cycles motorcycle club.
Right on.
Heck yeah.
Under his hat?
Are you supposed to leave stuff under the hat too? There's nothing.
What about his cock? No.
Oh.
Oh, let's see, man. Sometimes people leave things behind the counter. Oh, jeez.
Lots of goodies in there. Oh, that's
Let's see what we got. Let's read it.
I don't know how you work.
Oh, there's money. I like money, guys. Hey, Sub D. Greetings yet again from the Roof family. Not sure if you remember us, but we left a puzzle piece with Bob last Father's Day. Decided to ride to the general store again and try some new flavors of soda. So here's a little something extra. Enjoy a drink or two on us. Well, thank you. Let's see. I remember somebody did leave me a puzzle piece a long time ago. I have no idea where that puzzle piece is, but I wonder if this is a piece to the same puzzle. Thank you guys so much. We'll definitely use this for sodas. And we got a shirt. Oh, this goes with those stickers.
Yeah? You got it.
Yeah, buddy.
Sweet.
Cortez Motorcycle Club.
Nice.
Every time I come here, man, you guys amaze me. Thank you so much. Bob, you're good to me today. You gonna give him a lap dance?
No.
Come on, man.
He gave me one. I gave him tips.
Oh, yeah.
I will try the strawberry watermelon.
Dynamite. What'd you get?
A little lemon berry acai.
Sounds stupid. Thank you so much. Are you gonna go see Slayer when they come to town?
Of course.
Put this sticker right here. Right there. Yeah. Thanks for the sticker. That was cool, whatever that was. I love being behind a garbage truck on a hot ass day. It smells so good. I enjoy riding around with KatKam. She's fun, man. She lives 5 hours from me. Otherwise, we'd probably ride around a little bit more. Let's change of plans. Rick thought it would be a better idea hit that Crystal Cove Shake Shack than to come back all around and hit Hacienda. I agree. That way KatKam can play with their drone along the coast. Some good ideas coming out of Rick today. Yeah. Slug bird pow. I dig the wheels, yo. Look at this thing. Yeah, all right. All right. All right. Shake Shack. Good as you remembered?
Oh, yeah.
Right on. What did you get?
Turkey Club.
Not a bad
It
choice.
was pretty good.
I went with the root beer float. Can't go wrong there.
Can't go wrong.
It was only $4.
I'm taking the rest home.
Man, this is always a good spot. You guys from out of town, you're looking for that extra awesome view? This is it. This is it. Shake Shack. Out of my way, Priuses. Oh, it's a great day for the beach. Look at all these people. And you know there's just sharks swimming around over there, just waiting for someone to step out a little too far. All right, you guys are turning. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see you later tonight. Bye.
All right. Thanks, Rick. Cool. Man, that was a good day. Just cruising around, man. Low expectations. I had a great day. Stuck around town, didn't go too far, didn't get a ticket, didn't get arrested. We had the coastal views. Yeah, good day. Big thank you to Rick for leading us around all day. That was cool. Good seeing Chad on the Triumph. And of course, the lovely KatKam. If you guys aren't already subscribed to her, go check her out, man. She makes some pretty good videos. She's funny. Huge shout out to the patrons of the channel. You guys help tremendously. Keep me motivated. Thank you. For those of you that don't want to support me through Patreon, no problem. I do have a website where you can get t-shirts, hats, stickers, key tags, bunch of different stuff. That helps also. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Let's support the channel sponsors: Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, LUIMOTO. All I ask is you're in the need for any of their services or products, consider them first. They're good companies. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Love you all. Later.